Hi, this is Stewart Scothorn from the Annuity Link. I want to have the opportunity today to talk to you a little bit about what your retirement looks like when we include that wonderful word, taxes. The thing that we all don't calculate enough when we make decisions, particularly on investing. So what does that mean for you in your retirement? If I just look at the average person that has a 401k, you get to deposit that money into an account. By the way, I think it's a great opportunity. If you're not taking advantage of a company 401k, let me encourage you right now, that's something you need to take full advantage of, because you've got somebody that's probably matching whatever you put in, and there's no better way than creating wealth when somebody else is helping you. So what I would encourage you to do is continue to do that. However, when you get ready to pull that out, you're going to have something called taxes. Have a very big impact on what you actually are going to receive net. My encouragement to you is to look at how that investment is going to be for total retirement and plan ahead to try to figure out, is there anything that I can do that perhaps is either tax-free or gives me a better return because I don't have to worry about those taxes. So that would be my goal for you, is to review that. And one of the products that we happen to have that makes a lot of sense, that actually is tax-free, would be something that you would end up looking at accruing over the course of your lifetime, huge amounts of money. And just to give you an example, if you were in your 30s and decided to go ahead and put, I don't know, a minimal amount of your savings aside, you're going to find that that future that you hold, because of something known as compound interest, would end up growing to such a huge number that your retirement is much larger. You aren't having to go ahead and look at, well, 50% of that income that I thought was there is now going to be deducted because of taxes. And we don't know what taxes are going to look like in next year or the next 20 or 30 years, but my guess is they're probably not going down. So calculate that you're going to have to pay taxes at some point in time, unless there are products like we would like you to go ahead and find out all of those details on how you could have a tax-free retirement. I'd love for you to be able to contact the Annuity Link and any of our agents to discuss that opportunity. Like and follow for more great content.